Yo, what's up everybody, how you doing? Welcome from Sanur night time. It's been a while when I was filming here during the night time, and today on the Giant Tumblingan at the front of the Cork restaurant, and I'm gonna show you a few interesting places for having a dinner and what's going on after sunset time in Sanur today. Basically, if you're gonna go into a direction over there where I'm facing like the camera, there is the Massimo and Hyatt, and the other side of the Sanur. This one is the Cork, belongs to the Mason Aurelia. Pretty okay place for the drinks or maybe lunch or dinner perhaps. But to Gym Bar Cafe is refurbished recently and looks pretty decent as well. And I'm gonna tell you now people slowly going out for dinner. And I'm gonna stroll into opposite direction today. Check this out, quite a lot of families coming, going for dinner. Sanur is a perfect place for the families in my opinion, and so, well, I'm gonna show you what's going on, but going that direction today. Well, I used to film here during the daytime, not many during the dinner time. Check this out, because there is so many very nice, interesting restaurants recently. This belongs to 101 Hotel, which is the Oasis Hotel rebrand into the 101. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you, Sanur is also pretty alright, getting busier and busier recently, and yeah, this is it, just regular stroll. Like I said, normally I film here during the morning time or early afternoon today during the dinner time. This is ex-Hardee's, Artasadana. It's still open, little ice cream shop, still open because they may close soon, because this is probably the last Hardee's shop, what left, the rest are already gone. And then after that you can find the places like a shop, boutiques and stuff like this one. Little coffee place also. Summer here is the coffee kiosk, not so crowded on the streets, of course. Somebody have a nice Vespa here. Here we go, that's the coffee kiosk here for everybody who missing the place. It's still open for you. Perhaps you wanna go to pharmacy, which is also there, or maybe spa, because everything is just in the same place, very near by to each other. After that, let's focus on the places to eat, perhaps what we can find here, but also shops like a leather one, worth to keep an eye on it. Something interesting, maybe perhaps would you like to find for yourself. Something here new gonna be open, and after that, that's the traffic situation. Actually at 6:45 p.m. Middle of the week. As you can see, very moderate traffic. Taxi drivers, just ignore them, they honking at you. Like, we calling honking like this. I will face the camera and tell you something. If in my country you walk and somebody honk at you that way, especially by car, that means as you call for the, you know what. This is very funny, but this is how they are selling it, call for the beach. Yeah, so for some of you it may be offensive, but this is how in Asia taxi drivers honk at you, on you, not at you, on you, just to make attention. But rule is very simple: if the taxi driver is honking, I will never take him. That's my personal rule. Doesn't matter. Come back to the Sanur today. After that, there is also the restaurant Cafe Smorgas, and this guy just arrived with bakso. He, do the sounds like this one, so he letting know the people, for example, from Bamboo Blonde, the workers, if they wanna buy the bakso, because obviously workers in the shop or in the restaurants, they will eat from the people like this one. They cannot afford to eat in the restaurant like this one, and which is even more sad, as the restaurant don't provide a meal for the workers. In Europe and America, as far as I'm concerned, the restaurants provide a meal for the workers, but here unfortunately is not, and they are workers also. I don't know where they are going and where they're coming from. However, this is how it is. Cafe Smorgas is a Swedish restaurant, and it's alright. There is the German consulate if you're gonna go behind the Cafe Smorgas. Billy's restaurant is very local, traditional restaurant, in case if you would like to have some local Indonesian cuisines. And then we have a forchetta. This gelato is very nice, definitely worth a try. Maybe on the return I will have it. Oops, I need it for that. And this is forchetta restaurant, also Italian, Cucina, very interesting. Quite a lot of people interested to come. They have I don't know if it's firewood pizza oven or maybe not, but it's gonna be very busy if you come here in 1 hour later, now around the 8. So better come before 7. And after that, that's the situation. I'm gonna go more further. And then during the morning time, actually, hold on, this is some sort of old business here. Doesn't really matter. There are some shops, of course, with souvenirs. You can buy KFC, flip-flops, or bottle or Sanur perhaps. You can find many interesting things. Some little boutiques like this one as well. And there is the Sayang Villas deep inside. Beautiful sky, by the way. Color of the sky is beautiful. Anyways, let's focus on this one. There's some shops as well, some restaurant. This is the Retro, also pretty busy, successful place recently. People enjoying their early dinner. And actually no, that was different. This is the Retro. The Retro is this one. The previous one was, I don't know what's the name. They are few next to each other, looks the same, got confused. This is something new. Mediterranean, Asian, Western steakhouse, Sanur. Also some people inside enjoying. This is very new place. First time I see actually. And then on the other side of the street, you see all the people going for dinner somewhere. It's Okairi, which is Japanese. Had the sushi a few times there. It's okay, nice, kinda okay. It's alright. It's alright. Just very long. If you are very hungry, we will wait 45 minutes for the sushi. Then is the bread basket, obviously. They're gonna close at 7, so very soon, I guess. Great place for the breakfast and the bread and stuff like this one. Old Volkswagen car here. There are still quite many of them in Bali. And yeah, that's the Retro. And I don't know what's the other one over there, but this is how it looks. And this one, the new one. And the traffic is getting slightly more busy. And we're gonna go more further. The Bali moves, the agent property moved here now from the other side of the Sanur. All the busiest, the best restaurants and the companies like Bikago, which is the rental company, very successful. I remember when they opened first outlet in Seminyak. Now they have many of them, around 10, and they open also in Sanur. Everybody opening on this side, on the main street, and also in this particular side. So if you're looking to rent a bike, also very good place. Popular, good place for the shopping, nice mini market with some Western stuff and good quality stuff. And then you have, of course, two small mini markets, Indonesian brands, which is Indomaret, sounds very Indonesian, and Alfamart. Not as good as 7-Eleven, so, but it's open 24 hours. But it's not as good as 7-Eleven in other countries. I prefer Popular or Pepito probably. But yeah, if at night you need something, you can come. They don't sell alcohol, by the way. They are Indonesian, so they cannot sell it. Don't take me wrong. And then you have Anomaly coffee brand from Jakarta, and the Indian restaurant, something. This was belongs to Lagava Hotel, but Lagava Hotel gave up the place. They built like a places, and then the rental company Bikago or Bikago and the Indian and the Anomaly came here. And basically, this is it. Then there will be another Alfamart. Here we go, the cables blocking the way. This is like the same thing basically with Indomaret. Actually, yeah, the same thing. Probably the same people own actually. They often build next to each other. And then there's the TheMonkeys Sanur. I think so, it's open again because it was closed. Here we go, it's open. Nice place, pretty dark. And then will be the most colorful place in Sanur, at least that's how they advertise, Casablanca, but still empty too early. They will be banned later on. Probably this is the only place where the party is going up to midnight. If you come here at 10 p.m., it's gonna be lively and busy, but recently not that busy. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And the most colorful place. They will be nice. Here we go. At 9 p.m. they starting singing. And then there was the coffee place, Sala Bistro, but they totally closed, open in the egg stall on the ball place. And massage, some dealing. Here you go, it's going. And then there will be the entrance to the budget hotel, but still okay. Swiss Bear Resort, Jimbar, very popular. Look at the sky color and look at how many people going from the hotel, very cool. And it's very dark corner here, unfortunately, because nobody never opened anything here. I mean, it was something long time ago, but it's pretty dark. About 20 meters of dark place. If you skip it, there is, oh my god, somebody opened Very interesting concept, very interesting name. Some people enjoying. I like this bright sign. You cannot miss this. It looks interesting, nice architecture. If you're looking starving for the Thai food, you can find here. And then you have a Lost Ship, which is like a nightclub made for the local people, mostly locals from Denpasar coming here. Even so, the paid endorsements on Instagram, on YouTube, they advertise in Renon. They targeting basically Renon Denpasar people. Very interesting, don't getting this, but this is how it is. And okay, let's go. There is the Regina, one of the old restaurants. Okay, the Lost Ship look like this one inside. They singing here, old Indonesian restaurant. Looks good. The guy singing nice, and then will be Wicked Parrot, which is Irish restaurant. I gonna tell you, this place is always full, always busy, mostly with the senior people, I could say, if I can call it like that. I hope so, I didn't offend anybody, but mostly senior people are here enjoying their time. As you can see, sometimes it's the live band, probably Irish music. Never been inside, such a shame, but I never been inside. And then there is the entrance to Greya Santrian Hotel, basically. And then there will be Starbucks. Then there is the Village Italian restaurant. I don't really recommend. It's old, looks very nice with the slides and everything, but the food is so-so. The coffee is really not good. Personally, I do not recommend. However, been a while when I was there, so they may change something. There is something small place here. Also looks very cozy and decent, and feels like some people enjoying the dinner. I'm not gonna distract with my camera facing them directly. That's a little bit awkward actually. And then you have a Starbucks, of course, legendary Starbucks here. Sanur is lucky as they have it. A long time ago there was not so many coffee shops, and Starbucks was really good for some people. Now you can have many other coffee shops, but I remember the times when Sanur was very hard to get a coffee. You had to go to Hyatt or to Starbucks. I remember the time. Mini market, that's the local on. Not sure about the prices, always be careful. And then is the Soya Japanese restaurant. It's okay, it's a little bit pricey, but it's pretty nice arrangement, sitting arrangement. What I'm gonna tell you, food is okay. I had a dinner there a few weeks ago. Somebody invited me. It was okay. It's not like super extreme nice, but it's not bad. And then you have a Uluwatu store, which is very nice and old shop with the high quality, very high quality products, especially for ladies, but the price is also gonna be top. So, but this is like a really nice stuff. We have many outlets all around the Bali. And basically Edgy Coffee. Edgy Coffee is the brand from Denpasar, from Batu, I forgot what's the name, but I know where is it in Denpasar. In Ganyar actually already, just outside Denpasar border. They open here. Everybody from Denpasar going to Sanur, because Sanur is actually Denpasar, technically part of Denpasar. And then you have this funny electric car Wuling for $22,000. It's even moving for 200 kilometers. Some people buying, Battle Shop, Mini Mart, and that's it. And then there's the empty gap, Tanjung Sari entrance, and the construction of the mall and all of the other constructions actually starting there. And that's it basically for today's video. I made this video very slow. I hope so you enjoyed in general. You have little bit more knowledge what you can find in Sanur right now, especially for the dinner time. Maybe you're gonna find something for yourself. Of course, there's few more places what I didn't show you, but Sanur have a 4-kilometer street, so I cannot handle everything on one video. Thanks so much. See you on next one. See ya. Take care.